Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Cognify is hiring for Research Analyst Intern role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job and the company. We are Cognify, a community-based investment platform hyper-focused on disrupting the startup investment ecosystem in India and USA and enabling a cognitive-backed investment approach to retail investors since 2021. Our core values and founding philosophy is to create a niche for all our stakeholders by going beyond just funding a business. We remain committed to becoming a trusted partner to startup founders, fueling sustainable growth and enabling continuous value creation for our retail investors. Job description is: we are seeking a highly motivated and analytical intern to join our team as a research analyst intern. The successful candidate will work closely with the Cognify core team and assist in conducting market research and startup evaluation for potential funding opportunities. Key responsibilities under this role are conducting market research and analysis to identify trends, opportunities, and threats, gathering and analyzing data from a variety of sources including primary and secondary research, analyzing startups' businesses models, financial performance, market size, competition, and other relevant factors to assess their potential, assisting with the development of reports, presentations, and other deliverables to present findings to the team and other stakeholders, providing recommendations and insights to the leadership team on investment decisions based on research conducted, developing and maintaining a database of potential startup targets for future consideration, staying up to date with industry trends and developments related to startups, venture capital, and entrepreneurship, participating in due diligence activities to verify the accuracy and completeness of the information obtained through research, assisting in the development of investment strategies and plans based on research findings and insight, assisting in the maintenance and organization of the company's research database, organizing and strong data for future research projects, testing processes, policies, and protocols for efficiency and improvements. Other duties as assigned. Qualifications required for this role are currently pursuing or recently graduated from a bachelor's or master's degree in business economics, finance, marketing, or related field. Detail oriented with strong and proven analytical and critical thinking skills, excellent verbal and written communication skills, proficient with computer and software packages, particularly Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Desire to work successfully in a small company with an entrepreneurial environment. Self-starter who takes initiative and a team player who is collaborative and is able to work well with others. Last but not the least, we are looking for someone who enjoys working with people, has a sense of humor, and values family, friends, and life well lived. Duration and compensation. This is a full-time internship position with a duration of 3 months. Exceptional candidates will have the opportunity to transition into a full-time position post the internship. Compensation will be based on experience and qualifications. To apply, please submit your resume and a short paragraph explaining your interest in the position and qualifications for this role. We will contact you if we believe your qualifications meet the prescribed job description. Feel free to drop us a line and contact us at @cognify.us. We thank all applicants for their interest, but only those selected for an interview will be contacted. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And also share your resume at this email ID, contact us at @cognify.us. It will increase your chances for shortlisting. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर with your friends, and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.